Okay, Patty Christensen, Hand CRPS lady. Sorry, that was a little close to my face. Ooh. Anyway, I'm going to be talking a little bit about grounding. Having my condition, and I'm just a guinea pig. I'll try anything, whatever. Tell me run naked around a chicken. If it works, I'll do it. It's kind of my saying in life. But so, husband and I have tried some grounding. So right here, what we've got going is husband, I don't show his face, but I did get permission to show his feet, has been working in the kitchen for a number of hours, just standing there and kind of feeling it a little. So this is a grounding mat, and as you can see, what it does is it plugs into the ground. And that's a grounding mat. The concept being, it's mimicking being outside in the ground when you can't. Also for grounding, I try to sleep grounded because, I spend a lot of time in bed. CRPS isn't even the main excuse. I just spend a lot of time in bed. So you can see that my pillowcase is a grounding pillowcase. And then my sheets are actually, here you go, are actually grounding sheets. Does it make a difference? I don't know. I can kind of feel something. You never know if it's psychological or not, but I kind of feel like what I would call a very mild buzz. So, who knows? Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't.